let us see how we transform from direct to indirect speech the questions. How many types of questions are there? There are mainly two types of questions. Questions which can be answered by a simple yes or no. Questions which need explanation or which need an exact answer. I'll ask you a question. Do you eat chocolates? What will be your answer? If you eat chocolates, you will tell yes. If you don't eat chocolates, you will say no. Right? Again, if I ask you, will you come with me? Sometimes you may say yes, sometimes you may say no. So these are called yes or no questions. That means the questions which can be answered by a simple yes or no. So when we are transforming from direct speech to indirect speech, such yes or no questions. Let us see one example. Rahul said to Vinod, will you help me in this worst situation? Will you help me in this worst situation? So when we transform it, Rahul said to, what was in the question? Said to Vinod. So when we are transforming it, we should write Rahul asked Vinod. Okay, it is a question, so we are changing the reporting verb. So Rahul asked Vinod if or whether. What is the word that we should use? We should not use that as we did in the statements. This is a question, yes or no question. So the word that we should use is if or whether. Okay. So what will be the answer? Rahul asked Vinod if, would you help me in this worst situation? That was the question. Will you help me? So how will it come? Whether he would. He would. The subject must come first. Okay. He would help him in that worst situation. This changes to that. Okay. So that is how we will transform yes or no questions. We should add whether or if. Here are a few examples. You can notice how these yes or no questions are transformed from direct to indirect speech. But you should keep in mind the change in tenses as we studied earlier. Okay.